Hello, kids! Welcome to Fun Drawing Time! Today, we will draw amazing pictures together! Wow! A colorful rainbow! Let's draw a pretty flower. Let's draw a pretty flower. This is a happy little house. This is a happy little house. Let's draw a big green tree. Let's draw a fast car. Let's draw a fast car. Twinkle, twinkle, star.
Twinkle, twinkle, star.
Wow, kids! You did an amazing job! Keep drawing and have fun! See you next time! Bye-bye!